1,291 new cases of COVID-19 were detected in Kyrgyzstan for the past day, the Ministry of Health and Social Development reports. 939 cases were registered in Bishkek, 17 in Osh, 129 in Chuy region, 21 in Osh, 18 in Talas, 26 in Naren, 52 in Issyk-Kul, 15 in Jalalabad, and 74 in Batken. Since the beginning of the pandemic, 151,607 cases of COVID-19 have been registered in the Republic. Today, 20,490 people are receiving treatment for coronavirus. 15,938 people are outpatients, 4,552 people getting stationary treatment, including 222 people in extremely serious condition, 1,345 in serious condition. 2,919 people, or 64.1%, which considered as majority of people, are assessed as moderate, 66 patients in a satisfactory condition. Since the beginning of March 2020, 127,692 people have recovered. 10 people died from coronavirus for the past 24 hours. Since March 2020, 2,196 people have died in the Republic.